Today I am reviewing the Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp Basic. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what sets this lamp apart: the RGBIC technology. Unlike standard RGB lights that display only one color at a time, RGBIC allows for multiple colors to shine simultaneously across different segments of the light strip. This means you can create dynamic gradients, animated patterns, and truly vibrant lighting effects that make your room come alive. Whether it's for Christmas decorations, cozy evenings, or late-night gaming sessions, this lamp adapts to any mood or occasion. And it doesn't stop at just colors. This lamp is smart-enabled. You can control it using voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant, which means you can turn it on or off, change colors, or adjust brightness without lifting a finger. Just say the word, and your room instantly transforms. But if you prefer more detailed customization, the Govee Home App gives you full access to its capabilities. From the app, you can choose from 58 dynamic scenes, create custom color patterns, adjust brightness, and even schedule when the light turns on or off. Speaking of scenes, whether you're setting up a romantic night, hosting a cheerful party, or just relaxing with your favorite book, there's a scene preset for it. And the best part? You can DIY your own. With over 16 million color options, the creative possibilities are nearly endless. One of the standout features that makes this floor lamp a game changer is its music sync mode. When activated, the lamp responds to the audio around it, whether that's music, a movie soundtrack, or even a sound effect from a video game. The light pulses and shifts in sync with the rhythm, creating an immersive environment that pulls you deeper into the moment. It's a fantastic feature for parties, movie nights, or just enhancing your daily playlist. In terms of brightness, the lamp delivers up to 1,000 lumens using its warm white LEDs, which is more than enough for soft ambient lighting or everyday use. It's bright without being harsh, and because it's adjustable, you can dial in just the right level for your mood or activity. Plus, with its 136cm height and minimalist vertical design, it fits snugly into any corner of your room without taking up much space. Installation is straightforward. The package includes 4 aluminum light pole sections, a weighted aluminum base, a flexible silicone LED strip, and a power adapter. Assembly takes just a few minutes, and once it's up, the lamp is sturdy and sleek. Thanks to its lightweight design, you can easily move it from your living room to your bedroom, or even into your gaming setup, depending on where you want to set the mood. It's also worth mentioning that the lamp connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which is the standard for most smart home devices. Just make sure to scan the QR code on the packaging to download the official Govee app, so you can get the full range of features. To summarize, the Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp Basic combines smart functionality, vibrant color control, music reactive lighting, and a sleek, modern design into a single, affordable package. It's easy to set up, fun to use, and powerful enough to change the entire mood of your room with a tap or voice command. Whether you're upgrading your home lighting, decorating for the holidays, or just want to make your room a little more you, this lamp delivers.